I am interested in becoming an operating room registered nurse. After I finish my 2 years here at La Guardia, I would like to go to New York University to study in the nursing program. In addition, after I study my 4 years of college, I want to get my associate degree in nursing and in the 4 year get my bachelor's degree. While I'm doing this, I would like to do my internship in a hospital. After I get my diploma in nursing, I would like to specialize in operating room procedures and study everything in this field. My career goal is to work in this department because it has been my career dream since I was very little. I have always wanted to work as a nurse, but now that I know the field of nursing that I'm interested in, I will pursue it. Some relevant features that I have uncovered as a result of my research are that nursing is both a very challenging and rewarding profession. It is really challenging since some registered nurses work evening, weekends, and on-call hours. They can have very irregular shifts in the hospitals. Also, a nurse is exposed to a variety of medical conditions. Some of the rewarding aspects of nursing is that nurses have very well paid salaries, and also the experience it is very rewarding feeling on helping others and making an impact on the life of patients and their families. Some of the skills required in nursing are to have social perception, since you have to see how your patients react and understand their reactions. Other skill is listening, since you have to listen to your patient's needs and understand what they are saying. In addition, you need to be coordinated, critical thinker, and have a monitoring skill, since you need to know to read and use the machines in the operating rooms. Moreover, you have to know to read and be a good decision maker, since you always have to think fast at moments that fast decisions are required. Some responsibilities you have as a nurse is to watch out for the care of your patient, record symptoms and medical history of the patient. Moreover, educate the patient and give advice and emotional support to patient's family members. But the main responsibility in this profession is to know basically everything about your career and use this information to help your patient. Always research for new technology advance on medicine and tests. In addition, some of the findings I could get from American Nursing Association webpage is that there are a lot of branches to nursing and each one have a different job or specialty. In a journal, I also found out that there are a lot of nurses needed, and also in these journals, nurses describe their jobs and tell how comforting this profession can be because you are always helping your patients and their relatives. In my opinion, professionalism means when you really want to pursue in a profession and have the skills to do it. What I really need to do to achieve my goal to be a nurse is to keep studying and study the 4 years to get my bachelor's degrees and then follow the specialty in operating room registered nurse. Also look for other colleges where I can study this profession since Lagos is only a 2 year college. What I should avoid doing is to let myself get distracted from my goal because sometimes my job takes a lot of my free time where I can be doing my homework more calmly without hurry. Now I have to start to look for other colleges where I can continue studying nursing and start putting more effort in my classes to be a better nurse in the future.